You know where it's a good spot to store some trophies?
A man cave?
A man cave. That's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. So we built a awesome man cave for our client, Brian. Welcome backpack, Advil from WolfSteel Buildings. Today I am with Argenis. He is one of our project leaders here at WolfSteel. Argenis was our top salesman last month, so congratulations and welcome to the channel. You want to let the pack know a little bit about yourself?
Hey Pac, my name is Argenis. I've been in the sales for about 3 years. I'm learning every day. I love selling metal buildings, love selling concrete, tubular, red iron, you name it. I'm here to help you out.
That's awesome, man. Show them a little bit of your trophy.
Oh, here's a trophy right here.
That's for the project leader of the month.
Very competitive.
We just have a very competitive atmosphere. And so, but you know where it's a good spot to store some trophies?
A man cave?
A man cave. That's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. So we built a awesome man cave for our client, Brian.
Yeah.
Brian, thank you for trusting us. And we're heading all the way up to Denton, Texas, Mean Green territory. And so let's get ready for this pricing video.
Well, Brian is an electrician. He needed a place to store his tools, his golf cart, his bike, pretty much everything he uses every day.
And also Brian's building is a 24 wide, 45 long, 11 foot tall to the eaves. This is an engineered tubular metal building. We did accommodate 2 overhead doors, one in the front and one in the back. That way he could have a full drive-through to access his backyard. He did have a walk-in door and 4 windows for lighting.
Oof. Speaking of lighting, because he's an electrician, he added a special door handle for the access code to access outside. And he also added door openers on the overhead doors to secure the building.
And when you're thinking of adding electricity, because he did add his own electricity, a great way to run it is along the girts of the building. But that is only accomplished with the additional framework that comes with the vertical siding.
Vertical siding. Brian did all have vertical sidings on the ends and on the back of the building. All vertical.
Besides running electrical there, he also used those girts to hang up some of his tools.
Oh yeah, on the video, you notice how he organized and placed his tools on the framing.
Yeah, he hung up everything in there. All his tools. He also has his bikes to work on, a TV to watch our video premieres.
It is a good place to get out of this Texas crazy weather and get working on any project or anything you might have upcoming.
Yeah, especially with this weather we've been having lately, 100 degrees, and that's what we're forgetting. Sprayfoam. He did do a 1-inch spray foam all throughout the building to thermal control everything he has in there.
Which gives you approximately the R value of 7. It's a great way to help with the Texas weather. If you're looking to turn a Texas metal building into a man cave, a workshop, with everything we mentioned, including concrete, you'll be looking around
$41,623. That's not including your local tax rate or plans, the driveway. Concrete for this building was a 4-inch slab with 12 by 12 footers in the perimeter and interior cross beams. This concrete price was $12,960. This leaves the metal building at $28,663. Now keep in mind, again, this doesn't include the site prep. It doesn't include the driveway. Yeah, that's all very custom to your site. What we do is we normally go out to your site and we're able to really determine that custom work that really needs to be done. But the rest, the building and just the normal concrete, all that, we can definitely give you an estimate here, with WolfSteel over the phone. Make sure to check out this tour on our channel. We will link it for you for sure in the description below.
Also, we do have great finance options for our customers. It's starting at 0%.
Honestly, I don't even know if it's crazier that it's 0% or that we finance dirt, concrete, metal building, and accessories. That's a turnkey project, and that's really what makes WolfSteel special.
Man, that's a great deal.
It's just awesome. And well, Pat, if you really like this building and want information on this customization of it, please reach out to us so we can further assist you. We will have a breakdown of the building in the caption for y'all.
And if you call our phone number, please reach out and ask for our Janice. That's me. I would love to help you out and answer any questions you might have.
Awesome. And hey, I just want to give a shout out to Brian to thank him for us.
Yeah.
We really value your business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video.